Hello and welcome to a new video. So today we have mod number 2 going on the GR Yaris, and this time we've got some Automotive Passion mud guards. So we're going to see how those get on in the car. We're going to try and fit them, and I'll show you what they're for and what the options are. So here we've got gloss twill. You could have gone for a matte, but we went for a gloss because I thought it would fit the car a little bit better. So what are the mud flaps for? So as you can see on the front of the GR Yaris, there's a little cut in here, just like the rally car, to relieve pressure out. But you can see there's quite a bit of the front tyre that comes out. So a lot of stuff can come up here all the way down onto the rear arches. So the idea is just to fill in this bit here with a nice piece of carbon fibre, just to stop so much rubbish going all the way down the back of the car. Now you could have gone for full-on rally flaps, but for me it's just not the style that I was going for with the car and the look that I wanted for the car, so I thought this was a good idea. If you are interested, as I say, they come in gloss and matte twill. I'll put the link in the description down below for these flaps. So this mod is dead simple. So the first thing you need to do is get the wheels and pull it over to full lock. That'll just give you a little bit more access to the 3 bolts that we're going to use, and let's get that done now. So my car isn't even that old. I think we're about 550 miles at this point, but there is quite a bit of dirt that's collected down here. So before we put anything new in here, we're just going to give it a clean up. Don't worry about this hole here. Nothing actually goes in this one. While we're here, you can probably see there's a few little marks from stone chips, so what we're just going to do is just grab out a little bit of polish and just clean those up before we go any further. Might as well while we're here. So next we need to take out the hardware. We've got a 10mm and these 2 pop rivets, so let's take those out. These have a little space for a screwdriver to go underneath, and then just pop them out. So again, you can see a little bit of dirt in there, so I'm just going to clean that away while we're here again. So as you can see, they do have a direction, so it's a thicker end at the bottom, thinner at the end at the top. You can also see the screw holes there are slotted, so you can adjust it further in or out depending on preference. I find it easier to get the top one in first because it's a screw one, so let's do that first. Also, these are completely flat, but this is a curved surface, but it will bend and conform to the surfaces. So get the first one in a little bit, and then go back to your pop rivets, push it in, and then push it in. I prefer mine all the way in, so you can see there's a little bit of a gap just here, just because of the look. So let's get the other ones in. The middle one's the trickiest because there needs to be the most amount of bend in there. There we go, so these 2, they're in nice and tight. So we've just got to tighten up the final one up here. So there we go, one of the probably easiest mods to do to your GR Yaris. albeit on probably the hottest day of the year so far. So it's a good job it was an easy mod. But I'll show you some close-ups now, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, highly appreciated. If you didn't like it, fair enough, give it a thumbs down as well. Just give me some feedback in the comments how I can do it better. Until next time, goodbye.
Sorry.